Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 全 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write. 全 authority. Power, right. For example, 有权 有权 to have the right to. Powerful. For example, not everyone may have the rights to do this. 并不是所有的人都有权来进行这个操作。并不是 not everybody. Everyone may have the rights to do this. 并不是所有的人都有权来进行这个操作。并不是所有的人都有权have the right 来进行这个操作。Not everyone may have the rights to do this. 并不是所有的人都有权来进行这个操作。My daily handwriting on the character 全authority, power, right. 有权 to have the right to. Not everyone may have the rights to do this. 并不是所有的人都有权来进行这个操作。全 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 全. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.